want to know, okay, so this the notes in it in this one is Starflower Sandalwood Musk, Sugar Red, Tangier, White Agave Wood, Radiant Amber. So yeah, Sandalwood Musk is the overpowering fragrance in this, and it is beautiful. And this one has White Birch, Velvety Rose, and a drop of Strawberry Nectar. And it's written, "You're confident, sparkling, beautiful, you're the one." So if you want to gift it to someone special, go for this one. We got few more which we have already gifted to people, and this one is Gingham or Gingham, you call it. The Vibrant Gingham one has, oh, it's not mentioned, the notes are not mentioned over here, but I can tell you it's kind of it's like lavender. Yeah, it is like lavender. I mean, the photo also suggests it's lavender based. He got this gift box from Guess, and guess what is in there? I'll show you. A perfume from Guess. It's really nice. It has that very cooling effect. It's nice. And then there is this mini perfume. I really like mini perfumes because it's so easy to carry in your purse, and I always tend to forget after getting ready to put on my mist or perfume. So yeah, this really helps. And it has this body lotion which also smells heavily, and it's like in a travel pack. I also got a pouch with this, a black pouch. I don't know where I've kept it. This is the pouch that came along with it. Okay, and then offline from there, basically from the stores, all that you can get is the usual souvenirs and magnets, and those he got like in plenty. Keychains and the magnets and all, these were plenty. And the souvenirs I'm going to show you. So he got this snow globe. It has golden glitter particles in it, and it is really pretty. This one is for 49 dirhams. Then you get these souvenirs in gold and silver. This is like an oxidized, like a dark metal, and these are very good for gifting to your family members, to your friends and family. And this looks really pretty. I mean, actually even this looks pretty. It has diamonds on it. So yeah, he also got these lotions, these body lotions from Bath and Body Works, and they smell so good, so good. I can't even explain. This one is my favorite, At the Beach, and the sticker that is there on it, on the packaging, if you touch it, it's actually like sand, and it is sparkly. I am a big fan of good packaging. And then he got these two body creams. So they are all like coconutty based. This one is passion fruit and banana flower, and this one is beach coconut. They all smell so good. It's really hard to choose which one is your favorite, but if I have to choose by the packaging, I would say it's this, At the Beach. Okay, so that's all that he got from the stores. And now we're going to move to this online. What he got online, he got it delivered to his hotel room. There's an app called Noon. It is like Amazon, and from there I asked him to get like a lot of cosmetics. So yeah, I'm going to show you. So the first one that I got is my first Huda Beauty palette. This is the eyeshadow palette Desert Dusk. So this is how it is, and it's amazing. I mean, all the colors, the shades, they are all so good. And I did not just get one palette, I got two. And the next one is this rose gold palette from Huda Beauty Dream Master, and I love this even more. This is the rose gold palette, and this is so pretty. So this is how it is. Then all these smaller items I've kept it in this box. So I'm not doing a swatch right now, maybe I'll do it in other videos. So this one I got the Kylie Jenner lip kit. Okay, so this is a Better Not Pout lip liner. Gorgeous shades. And look at this, look at the packaging and the shade. It is so gorgeous. This is the Kylie Jenner lipstick. Okay, and then I got a lot of products from NYX. This is the Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream. I have not even opened this yet. So crazy I am. I thought I will show you, and only then I'm going to open. So this is the mousse cream. Since the quantity is very less, I'm not going to swatch it. I will actually show it to you when I wear it. And then this is a NYX Pro Fix Stick Concealer. I was really looking for a stick concealer. You know, it becomes very easy to do the eyebrow, under eyebrow concealing. So yeah, and this one is Revlon, again a concealer, and this tip is like, you know, like this. It's thin and it's like a sponge tip, so it has a sponge tip applicator. And then I got this eyeliner. This is from NYX again, and it is so good, so good. Using a lot of eye products, you actually get to notice the fine differences between each of them, and the NYX liner is really good. And this is the Lash Without Limits from Essence. Yeah, it's written wow length. It's supposed to give really good length. Look at the wand, it's so nice and it is so flexible. It's really good. Okay, and then we have this NYX Duck Plum. I was really excited to see this. I really wanted to try this. This is a plumping lip gloss. I am going to try this and show it to you all in separate videos. Yeah, and this is the last product. This is NYX, again from NYX. It is the Fat Oil, I don't know what is written over here, lip drip. Okay, this is the Fat Oil lip drip from NYX, and this is also like, I'm so excited to use all of them. And this is like, most of them I've got darker colors this time. Oh, look at the wand. It's really fat. Oh, I spilled a drop. Okay, it's like blood. I'm very excited to try all of this. So that's it from the cosmetics department that I got online from Noon. And I also so both me and Dev, we are fans of, you know, DC and Marvel, and also the Autobots and Decepticons. So being a Transformer fan, he got this and this, Megatron and Optimus Prime. This also on the Noon app. And apart from this, my baby girl requested for this. This is Nezuko. Hi! She is a demon and a demon slayer. So if you guys have been following Demon Slayer, you would know. And this is a really cute character. At first I was like, oh, why are you getting this? Why are you asking him to get this? So she made me watch Demon Slayer, and now I absolutely love it and can't wait for the next season. And now I get why people are crazy about anime. They are just so good. So that was all that he got from Noon, and some stuff that he got from some other separate stores. Also got this neon green sports shoe from Nike, and this Crocs. This has quite a bit of heel in it, but unfortunately the sizing is not perfect. So we are going to try and exchange this when he goes on his next trip. are chocolates, lots and lots of them, lot of Godiva, lot of Lind and all that, and also Kinder Joy. There is this Bueno Kinder Joy, which is like which I have never seen in India. It might be there in some stores, but usually I don't get it in any local stores, and the prices are so cheap when compared to what we get over here. And he got 4 packets of this, and we all went crazy having this. Everything is over, only few left in this. This is Raffaello. Again, it is a coconut based chocolate with white cream, white chocolate, and also cream filled. So this is delicious. And last one thing that he got, this he got from duty free. This is the perfume Eternity from Calvin Klein. So this is quite famous, quite known perfume, and it is this is the bottle, this is the packaging, and there's no cap on it. You directly spray from this, and this is beautiful, amazing perfume. Okay, so that's all from the Dubai shopping haul. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed this. See you again in my next video. Bye. He also got souvenirs of Burj Khalifa and the